Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your UTM links for LinkedIn using Google Campaign URL Builder. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Campaign URL Builder tool. Once the page loads, you'll see several fields to fill out. Start with the website URL field. Enter the URL of the page you want users to land on after clicking your LinkedIn post. Next, move to the campaign source field. Here, type LinkedIn to identify the source of your traffic. Then, proceed to the campaign medium field. For this, input social to specify the medium through which your link will be shared. Continue to the campaign name field. Choose a descriptive name for your campaign, like LinkedIn_promo_fall 2023. Optionally, you can fill in the campaign term and campaign content fields. These fields are useful for tracking specific aspects of your campaign, but they are not mandatory. Once all the relevant fields are filled, the tool will generate your UTM link. Look for the Shareable Link section at the bottom of the page. Click the Copy URL button to copy your new tracking link to the clipboard. Now you're ready to test your link. Open a new tab in your web browser. Paste the copied UTM link into the address bar and hit Enter. Wait for the landing page to load. Verify that the page opens correctly and displays the content you expect. Next, check that the UTM parameters are present in the URL. Look closely at the URL in the address bar. Make sure it contains the campaign source, medium, and name you specified earlier. If everything looks correct, your link is ready for use. You can now paste this link in your LinkedIn post. Monitor the performance of your link through Google Analytics later. This will help you analyze traffic and engagement driven by your LinkedIn campaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.